Yeah.
Instead of hollering Pretty Tony, I know that can't be pretty. That must be Pretty Tony in China, guys.
Yeah.
That ain't the Pretty Tony I know.
Okay.
I love you, Tony.
She love you, Tony. Ooh, she love her some Tony. She know it too.
That's family.
Hey, yeah. I love it. Yeah. I know that old gal out there with Yello Belly. Yeah. I know that. That's a little something. Got a little something, y'all. Is it a small block, miss? Small block? Small block? Yeah, you know, don't you? No.
I know you know.
Okay, I'm trying to see if you know something. Small block or big block? Okay.
Small block. Try to sell it in Detroit, boy, my motherfucking car.
Yeah.
They sold him that motor for 12,000.
Damn. Yeah, they talking about she know Pretty Tony.
Yeah, she do.
Yeah,
She a
Pretty
legend.
Tony.
She a legend out here.
Yeah.
It's a legend.
she
right
love-
You don't know me. You ain't.
Yeah, if y'all don't know who this is,
Yeah.
y'all don't know nothing about Yello Belly.
Yeah, she
Y'all don't know who this is right here.
She be acting up.
Legend out here, man.
Okay. Is it a small block or big block?
Which one? Are you talking about? Oh, are you talking about the one that?
Man, you supposed to know which one now.
Yeah, which one you like?
Yeah, which one you like?
What side motor you like?
Small block or big block?
Big block.
She like that nitrous.
Y'all leave my home, girl.
Long as it got some
Like
juice.
bikes, baby.
Yeah, she's a motorcycle.
Oh, she like bikes. Oh, okay, that's how you do it.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
That's what I mean. You don't know.
Okay. Oh, I don't know.
They had one of the baddest bikes
Okay.
they ever come out here. They was
Bad as bike. All right, y'all. This $1,000 race right here.
Right there.
This $1,000 race.
Is it, man?
Yeah. This $1,000 race, ain't it? Okay. Yeah, he said. See if it leave right. Everybody. Oh, he is. He is. Don't he need some glue?
He needs some glue.
Yeah. We got my boy, the Stone Vet in the building, y'all. Still Stone. Driving a vet. Oh yeah, dude.
Yeah, been smoking all day, bro.
I freaking get really stoned, like when I freaking does a bowl of OG. I'm in the light, I know. When I'm in the zone and I freaking smoke like a bowl of OG. Yeah, man, I like freaking pass out, man. I'm like my fuck. I mean, it really likes freaking puts me in a zone. Tamara, that's the Stone Vet. Like, dude, if you want to get stoned, Jet Black just put his channel in the chat for y'all so y'all can know. The Stone Vet YouTube. Right lane for the win. He was on that light. Yeah, like I drink Red Bull with like a bowl of OG. full pass or no full pass? Make sure y'all hitting that like button, subscribe button. Y'all ain't hitting that like button, I see. Some of y'all that missed out. I ain't trying to get up out of there, that's for sure. But anyway, y'all make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. Check out some of my old videos. You know, glad a lot of y'all new people came in. One time for the one time. I done had a good time with all y'all. Highlights coming soon. But anyway, y'all make sure to hit that like button. If you see any good parts in the video you like, time stamp it. Send it to me so I can, you know, maybe make it a short or something like that. We'll be back tomorrow. Y'all one time for the one time. She got that smile block. It got nitrous on it.
Get out of my face.
Okay, no nitrous. It's just straight motor, y'all. But anyway, look out, look out.